Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Let me actually just restart the chart. So as you guys can see from the title of this video, we did hit a banger today during Asian session trading gold. As you guys can see, I do trade with Top Step right here. Look at this beautiful $2,000 within 1 day of trading. Let's just take this out. We don't need it for now. So I just wanted to break it down how I took this trade, why I took this trade, and all the confluences, and just making it very easy for you guys to understand how I trade. Coming to this pre-market, Asian session does start for me at 3 a.m. That's like the market, not the pre-market. And so just for reference, I'm on a different time zone. That's probably why. For me, I did mark out these lows. You guys can obviously see these lows and highs. I really wanted market to tap either this low and take a nice displacement to the upside, or either take down this upside and go the opposite direction. So we were looking in because we were definitely in a consolidation range on the hourly. So when price just kind of consolidates on the hourly, we just either look to take down a low and then go up, or take down the high and then go down. But as you guys can see, look at this beautiful price opened right here, had a gap in the market, then just crashed down, and boom, we barely tapped into. I know sometimes people would want to wait and see price come down below, but just because of the bias today and how market has been moving in an Asian session recently, I didn't want to wait that long, and I just wanted to find an entry immediately. But I did kind of wait a little bit just to get a confirmation that price did not want to come back down, sweep more liquidity, and just indeed wanted to just rip up. So what I had marked out, the only thing I really marked out today was just this fair value gap right here. As you guys can see, we did tap it once. You can see like we respected it and came back down a little bit. But I was really feeling longs today, like just because of, market analysis and just experience in the markets. I really wanted to take longs, especially a lot of times when we do have this gap in the market right here. Price doesn't tend to come either react off of it as a fair value gap, or either just go and fill it up all the way up high, as you guys can see what happened right here. So I was just really waiting. It was kind of consolidating right here. Didn't know what price wanted to do, and it only touched this hourly low once, and it never like touched it again. After this, you can say it respected this 5 minute gap, and it came back down. Just because it didn't retouch this zone, I was like, okay, it's gonna, like, very soon it's gonna just skyrocket high. And as you guys can see, I was actually on the minute time frame. Let me see, zoom. So this is where we were. I had this marked out. I was on the minute time frame. As soon as we saw this strong displacement up, I took an entry right after the candlestick closure. I did have my stop loss. So look, I did have my stop loss right to this zone. You see how the low of this minute candlestick. So that was my stop loss right here of $8.30. And my first take profit, I mean, not first take profit, I really just broke even at this high right here, this internal high. I went break even here. So as soon as price tapped into here, I went break even. So it was obviously a risk-free trade after this point. But I didn't want to take partials just because of how strong we were moving up. And I didn't want to just take partials while the trend is still moving very bullish. So at the end, I think I got it like around the 40.17. Yeah, 40.17 mark right here. As you guys can see, 40.17. That's where I took my full profit right here. This was the trade I took today. It was literally like a nice 1 to 3.5 RR. And we hit a banger. So yeah, this another example of how easy my trading strategy is and how accurate sometimes it could be. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like these, just let me know. I'll definitely start making more, and probably like going more in depth if you guys want to know, and deeper market analysis and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time though. See ya.